Inflammation. It's a word we hear often, but what does it really mean for our bodies? How does it affect our daily lives and long-term health? In simple terms, inflammation is our body's natural defense mechanism against injury or infection. It's like an internal alarm system that signals our immune system to take action. When we experience a cut or a cold, inflammation helps our bodies heal. It sends white blood cells to the affected area to fight off harmful invaders and start the healing process. However, when inflammation persists over long periods, it can become chronic and detrimental to our health. Chronic inflammation is not just a temporary response. It lingers and continues to attack our own tissues. This chronic inflammation is like a silent fire, slowly damaging our cells and tissues, increasing the risk of serious health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. It's a hidden threat that can go unnoticed until significant damage has been done. The good news is that we have the power to combat chronic inflammation through our dietary choices. By incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into our diet, we can help our bodies fight back. And one vegetable stands out as a true anti-inflammatory hero: broccoli. This humble green vegetable is packed with nutrients and compounds that can help reduce inflammation. Broccoli is not just a side dish. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with compounds that can help extinguish the flames of inflammation. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Let's delve into the science behind broccoli's incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound that has potent anti-inflammatory effects. By including broccoli in our diet, we can take a proactive step towards better health and well-being. Broccoli belongs to the cruciferous family of vegetables, known for their exceptional health benefits. This family, which also includes cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts, is renowned for its ability to fight inflammation. What makes broccoli a nutritional powerhouse? It's a rich source of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. But the real magic lies in its unique plant compounds, particularly sulforaphane and various antioxidants. These compounds work synergistically to combat inflammation at its root, protecting your cells from damage and promoting overall well-being. Let's explore the specific roles of sulforaphane and antioxidants in broccoli's anti-inflammatory arsenal. Sulforaphane is a sulfur-containing compound found in cruciferous vegetables, with broccoli sprouts containing the highest concentrations. This compound is a true superstar when it comes to fighting inflammation. How does sulforaphane work its magic? It activates a pathway in our cells called the NRF2 pathway. This pathway acts like a switch, turning on the production of antioxidants and detoxifying enzymes that protect our cells from inflammatory damage. Think of sulforaphane as a conductor leading an orchestra of cellular defenses against inflammation. By activating the NRF2 pathway, sulforaphane orchestrates a powerful response that helps protect our bodies from the inside out. Antioxidants are our cell's first line of defense against damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells, leading to inflammation and disease. Broccoli is brimming with a variety of antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and flavonoids. These antioxidants act like scavengers, neutralizing free radicals and preventing them from causing cellular damage. Imagine antioxidants as tiny warriors fighting off free radical invaders, protecting the integrity of our cells and preventing inflammation from taking hold. Broccoli's rich antioxidant profile makes it a potent ally in the fight against oxidative stress and inflammation. Section 5. Scientific proof. Broccoli's impact on inflammation. The anti-inflammatory benefits of broccoli are not just folklore, they're backed by a growing body of scientific evidence. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that contribute to its health benefits. Numerous studies have demonstrated broccoli's ability to reduce inflammation in the body. These studies highlight the presence of sulforaphane, a compound in broccoli that has potent anti-inflammatory properties. For instance, a study published in the journal Clinical Nutrition found that consuming broccoli sprouts daily for 1 week significantly reduced markers of inflammation in healthy individuals. The participants showed a notable decrease in inflammatory markers such as interleukin-6 and C-reactive protein. Another study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that broccoli consumption was associated with lower levels of C-reactive protein, or CRP, a key marker of inflammation in the body. This study involved a larger sample size and confirmed the anti-inflammatory effects of regular broccoli intake. These studies, along with many others, provide compelling evidence that incorporating broccoli into your diet can have a tangible impact on reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. By including broccoli in your meals, you not only enjoy its delicious taste, but also benefit from its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Whether you prefer it steamed, roasted, or raw, adding broccoli to your diet is a simple and effective way to support your body's health and well-being. Section 6. Broccoli and Chronic Diseases. A powerful ally. The anti-inflammatory prowess of broccoli extends beyond addressing everyday inflammation. It also plays a significant role in combating chronic diseases linked to chronic inflammation. Research suggests that regular broccoli consumption may help reduce the risk of developing heart disease, type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. By effectively combating chronic inflammation, broccoli acts as a powerful ally in protecting our bodies from these debilitating diseases. Incorporating this cruciferous superhero into your diet is a proactive step towards a healthier future. Section 7. Broccoli, Beyond Inflammation, a spectrum of health benefits. While its anti-inflammatory properties take center stage, broccoli's health benefits extend far beyond reducing inflammation. This nutritional powerhouse offers a wide range of advantages for overall well-being. Broccoli is an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. It's also rich in vitamin K, crucial for bone health, and folate, vital for cell growth and development. Moreover, broccoli contains compounds that may support liver detoxification and boost the immune system. Incorporating broccoli into your diet is like investing in a comprehensive health insurance plan, providing a spectrum of benefits for your body. Section 8. Broccoli on your plate. Easy and delicious ways to enjoy. Now that you're well-versed in broccoli's incredible health benefits, let's talk about how to make this cruciferous superstar a regular on your plate. Broccoli is not just a side dish. It can be the star of your meal. The good news is that broccoli is incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your meals. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, there are countless ways to enjoy this nutritious vegetable. You can enjoy broccoli raw as a crunchy snack with hummus or dip. It's a perfect option for a quick and healthy snack that you can enjoy anytime. Steam it to perfection as a healthy side dish. Steaming preserves most of the nutrients and gives broccoli a tender texture that pairs well with almost any main course. Roast it with olive oil and garlic for a flavor-packed treat. Roasting brings out a rich, caramelized flavor that can turn even the biggest broccoli skeptic into a fan. Or add it to stir-fries, soups, and salads for a nutritional boost. Broccoli can enhance the flavor and nutritional value of a wide variety of dishes, making it a versatile addition to your culinary repertoire. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different ways to enjoy broccoli. The possibilities are endless. From broccoli pizza crusts to broccoli pesto, let your imagination run wild and discover new and exciting ways to incorporate this superfood into your diet. Section 9. Embrace the power of broccoli. In conclusion, broccoli is not just a vegetable. It's a true anti-inflammatory powerhouse packed with compounds that can help extinguish the flames of inflammation and promote overall health. From its ability to activate the NRF2 pathway to its rich antioxidant profile, broccoli offers a natural and delicious way to combat inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So embrace the power of broccoli and make it a regular part of your diet. Your body will thank you for it.